Meal prep review time! I'm reviewing meal prep delivery services so you don't have to waste your time and money. Let's go. Today we've got another one from Power Plate Meals. Today we have the garlic parmesan crusted salmon. Let's take a quick peek at the nutrition label here. 416 calories, not bad. 30 grams of protein, perfect. 29 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, 20 grams of fat, and 382 milligrams of sodium. Let's taste it. All right, fresh out of the microwave, we've got our salmon, we got some green beans, and we've got our roasted potatoes. This smells fucking fantastic. Ooh, yeah, that looks nice. Look at that salmon. Oh yeah, it's good. It's not fishy, it's not dry, great flavor. And I can really pick up the garlic and parmesan, great flavor. Potatoes are good, they've got really good texture to them. They're not dry, and I like the seasonings that they use with them. The green beans are green beans. Solid meal all around.